Some of the work at Richards Industries in Cincinnati, Ohio has moved away from single setup machining. Valve bodies that used to be machined complete in one setup on this machine, a Mori Seiki ZL35 CNC lathe with milling and drilling capability, now receives some of that drilling work on a separate Cincinnati Sabre model VMC. I talked to operator Steve Niles and support programmer Mike Petrie about the reason for adding a setup.
Mike, can you tell us a little bit what the strategy was for moving some of the operations that you could have been doing on that Mori onto the Sabre, what the real benefits are?
Sure. Initially, the ZL35 ran the parts complete. At the time, back in the 80s, when this was set up, it had the capability to drill and tap the bolt pattern, so therefore it was done on the machine. Recently, we've been so bottlenecked because that ran the entire Jordan line. We went back and evaluated what we were doing there. And what we had noticed was just simply the drilling and the tapping of the bolt pattern was taking us anywhere between 5 to 15 minutes per part. Some of these have a 24-hole pattern in stainless, which takes considerable time. In doing that, that was simply a vertical job. We had the Sabre sitting next door. We brought it over. It was not running at all at the time. So we set it up with the fixture just to do that bolt pattern.
Steve Niles described what work is now done on the machining center.
Turn the old end, do it the contour and the seat diameter, and then the Sabre drills and taps the bolt surface.
Okay, so your cell's giving you better throughput, even if maybe some operations are slower on the Sabre than they would be on the Mori. You still get a real benefit from that.
Exactly.